All right, it's morning feeding time at the Bright Ranch. Jessica is feeding this morning. She was up early helping me fix the fence and gather the bull. She gathered the bull for the first time by herself. You got these on this side. These you can feed up in the manger in the corner. We got our pigeons roosting this morning up in the barn. All right. Yeah, you just want to make sure you don't step off the back of the tailgate. Whenever you pull hay towards you, going backwards.
Want it flat?
Yeah, pull it out on the tailgate. This is our dedicated hay truck here, my 83 6.2 diesel Chevy Silverado. The heater still works. Jessica was impressed. Okay, that's good, honey. Okay, here's a pocket knife. Go ahead and. All right, so you're gonna need, I think there's 5 horses in the back shed row. So go ahead and take 5 flakes off.
Don't you squeeze these?
There's a, right there, push that, and then the blade. Or you want to do it flat so they lay.
Huh?
Lay them in order.
Yeah, I will. I'm just putting it over there.
Well, just do one at a, you have to lay them one at a time. Otherwise the cart tips over.
Pokey.
And they're pokey.
Yeah.
Is that pokey hay? What kind of hay are we feeding?
Alfalfa.
Very good.
3?
You need 3 more.
No, we need 2 more. You need 5.
I know, but I added one. We still have 6 horses in the barn that we need to feed too. All right, now 4 more. 4 more. I fed Steady and Dottie earlier.
1 out of 4.
How many
2.
How many horses do we have to feed?
Like every day, or right now?
How many horses do we have?
Do we have?
Yeah.
I don't know. It changes like every week.
There's your favorite. All right, you got the horses in the barn.
I should go this way, huh? Whoa. Sweating so much.
So tell me a little bit about why you like Sundance so much.
I don't know, I just like her demeanor, I guess. Her personality. Also, she's really pretty. There's that too.
So this is your summer project. Is that
Yeah.
my understanding?
I was just talking to Lauren about that yesterday. And yeah, I told her how I like want to invest time in Sundance and get to know her more and start working with her and eventually writing her,
Uh huh.
all that stuff. I think it'll be fun.
Yeah, she's been waiting for someone to come along that special someone that she could work with.
I know,
think
I'm really
I think I
excited.
think you are the perfect fit for this horse.
Me too. Thank you.
Yeah, she's the smartest horse on the ranch. She's half Arab and half quarter horse.
I know. I love her eyes.
Yeah, she's very pretty.
She is.
Now you can see Jessica's been working on her winter coat that's shedding, and you see what a pretty dark golden color she is on her shoulder.
Yeah, so pretty.
Palominos are lighter in the winter, and then their darker short coat comes in
It's like they're tan.
spring and summer.
Doing.
Oh, they're just riding dirt bikes. Steady, how you doing, buddy? Mm. Hey, Sundance. How's she doing?
How's she doing? Good.
How's your chapter book doing?
Hmm?
Getting your reading in?
Oh yeah, I found a book. Oh well, I didn't find it. Mom found it because she was going through the upstairs playroom, and it's one of Catherine's old dragon books. It's like the natural history of dragons or something.
I remember that.
Yeah, and so I started reading it, and it seems pretty cool so
That's
far.
interesting.
So we'll see.
Okay.